Rare indeed will be the land that can match Kerala in the beauty of her forests or the wonders of the biodiversity contained within. Undoubtedly, the magic of the Western Ghats, as well as the forests of Kerala that fringe it, is incomparable. It is likely that a huge percentage of the indigenous ecosystem of every forest has been destroyed by climate change through the ages. But if at least 1.5 to 5% of the vascular plant species found around the world have survived all changes and continue to thrive in a forest, that forest can be considered a truly unique one. That is a hotspot of biodiversity. Of the 8 hotspots of biodiversity that remain on our planet, one is in Kerala. The forests of the Western Ghats in Kerala are unique. Kerala has thick rainforests that are formed due to the land's high altitude and the density of rainfall it receives. LDG, or latitudinal diversity gradient, is a factor that helps categorize wild animals, plant and animal species, and forests with extraordinary biodiversity. Viewed from that perspective, Kerala has the most biodiverse tropical forests in the whole of the Indian subcontinent. Kerala also has dense rainforests and semi-evergreen forests that show the qualities of such tropical forests. These forests are home to not only rare medicinal plants, but flora and fauna as well. Most of the species of plants and animals found in forests all over the Indian subcontinent can be found in the forests of Kerala. The forests of Kerala comprise 17 wildlife sanctuaries that have unparalleled diversity. 6 national parks, 2 tiger reserves, 1 community reserve and 2 biosphere reserves. They are home not only to microorganisms but to various animals like the elephant and the tiger. The mountains of the Western Ghats, where this forest wealth flourishes, present some of the most beautiful and scenic views that the whole world can offer. The purest water, soil and air form part of this ecosystem. Symbolic of such purity is the rhododendron plant that can be seen blooming in many places in the forests and the mountain ranges. Most of the rivers, virtual and vital veins of the land take birth from springs that nestle in the mountain ranges of the Western Ghats, flow through different parts of Kerala and nourish villages, towns and cities before draining into the Arabian Sea. Nearly 35 Adivasi communities, including the Chola Nayakans, who are the only surviving cave-dwelling indigenous group in the whole of Asia, call Kerala their home. They continue to live in these forests, holding on tightly to rituals and beliefs that go back to prehistoric times. It is rare to find so many indigenous communities living in such a small area. In other words, it is this biodiversity that forms the throbbing heart of God's own country.